Today we have a part in hand which is 115 by 50 millimeter to be bent as a bracket. We are quickly creating a program on our touchscreen controller. In the editor page we will quickly create our shape by just touching the screen. So we will make a draft part and then enter the dimensions and the angle precisely, which will show us the visual view of the part on the left hand side. By clicking the export TXF button, we can view the unfolded version of our part which we drove inside the controller. As we already have the part in hand, which is 115 by 50, so I'm just matching that 115 millimeter side by just playing with the dimensions which I wanted. Now as I finish the drawing, I go to the simulation page, then search the bending sequence, and automatically the controller finds it and generate the bending steps. Now I can see from the controller my bending steps. I can zoom in and out, and I can even rotate the machine to see the part as good as possible or as per my like. And after this I go to the production side of the controller and choose automatic and update and continue. Now my press brake is ready to bend my part, which most probably it will fail with the angle because I'm not 100% sure with the tensile strand of the material I have in hand. So I will fail once and find the angle, then apply some corrections. So that's how it works. So I'll make my first bend on one side of the bracket, then turn it around, make the second bend. Actually you don't need to do both of them, but I wanted to show you both bends which will be faulty in the beginning. Then I check the result with my protractor and find the angle difference. Then go to step correction page, then right there, what is my measured angle? It is 87.5. Then as soon as I apply, it automatically applies the correction. Then the program already applied the correction. Now I repeat the bend on the same part and finish it. Now I check the angle once again with my protractor and see if the correction really worked. So and yes, it really worked. Now I have a part which is 90 degree. As long as I use the same material, I will always get 90 degree. In case I will change the material quality, I can apply some different corrections.